Hello, all my friends out there. A very good morning to you. I'm Garima and welcome to my channel Tarot A New Horizon. आप सबका मेरे चैनल टैरोट अ न्यू होराइजन में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको ये सेशन 3 जून से लेके 10 जून के लिए कर रही हूँ। फ्रॉम 3 जून टू 10 जून अ वीक। सो दिस सेशन इज़ फॉर अ वीक डे। Yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. So I would like to say कि just आपने आज पर ध्यान दीजिए, बिकॉज़ आज अगर आपका अच्छा होगा तो आपका फ्यूचर अपने आप ही अच्छा हो जाएगा. सो पास्ट में रहने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. बी इन द प्रेजेंट, बी इन द प्रेजेंट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग. Believe in yourself. The next one is the Sagittarian. Give me a good one for Sagittarian. From 3rd June to 10 June. Sagittarians, you have to sacrifice this week and you have to give a new perspective to your this thing. You have to have a good new perspective for your the whole situation, whether it is marriage, love, anything. Because you're feeling a lot of responsibility. Things you have to very much sacrifice. In your marriage also you are going to sacrifice, and in everything you are going to sacrifice. You can be in teaching line, you can teach people, okay, or you can be a teacher or something like that. You can start your teaching classes also, okay. So but the thing is that don't feel overburdened and you need to sacrifice things. So it's a maybe card for me. This maybe or this week will be very good for you. Let's see for the energy, what kind of energy you're getting. Community. Oh my God, see. Community. Okay. So you must be thinking what the community will be thinking about yourself or something like that. Very much into socializing. You are very much into socializing and thinking about them. Ki what others will think about me. If I take any decision, what others will take about me. So thing is, the thought is nice, but you have to take care. You have to sacrifice for that. Maybe in love, you are having a affair or love with someone, and then maybe the community is coming in between you this week. So you must be thinking about the community too much. So take care of your responsibility, okay? Or maybe you're not happy with your married life and you're coming a step for a divorce or something like that. So the community is coming or someone is coming. So these are many optional I'm giving. It's not like it may happen for you only. It's a general reading. So I'm just giving a different prospect, because the whole thing, whether it is a relationship of marriage, love and all, you have to change your perspective. You have to change your perspective, and you have to sacrifice something for that. Let me see what is coming, what advice is coming for you. You are very diplomatic. July, August will be very significant. Take care of your passions. Control your anger. Control your anger, because it is one letter away from danger. You're becoming very anxious, and because of anxious, you are losing your temper. So अपने टेम्पर पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपने पैशन पे ध्यान दीजिए. वैसे भी आप डिप्लोमेटिक हैं, और जुलाई अगस्त तक आपको ये सारी चीज़ें सुलझ जाएंगी. एंड थोड़ा सा सैक्रिफाइस करने की ज़रूरत है. थोड़ा सा आपको सैक्रिफाइस करिए. ओके, यू हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस दिस वीक. अपने गुस्से पर कंट्रोल करिए. लेट मी सी सम चार्म्स फॉर यू. पिन इट अप द थिंग्स विच आर नॉट वर्किंग. यू रिचार्ज योर बैटरी. अपनी बैटरी को रिचार्ज करिए, मतलब मेडिटेशन करिए. ओके, प्रोटेक्शन करिए. आप प्रोटेक्शन की बहुत ज़रूरत है. आप अपने आप को नर्चर नहीं कर रहे हैं. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ज़ीरो. एवरीथिंग इज़ एंडिंग. अपने पुरानी चीज़ों को ख़त्म करिए, नई चीज़ों की शुरुआत करिए. सीक्रेट्स रखिए अपने. सी, यू आर वेरी मच कन्फ्यूज. डोंट बी कन्फ्यूज. अपनी ज़ील, अपनी इंथुजियाज़म, अपनी ज़ील को मत खोइए. ओके, इट्स समथिंग हैपनिंग इन योर लव लाइफ में आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. एंड समथिंग, मे बी योर एक्स इज़ ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन दिस, और इट मे बी लाइक क्रॉस इट आउट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. क्रॉस इट आउट. जो थिंग वर्क नहीं कर रही है, नहीं. अपनी ज़ील को मत खोइए, अपनी इनर ब्यूटी को मत खोइए. Okay, this is all for you, for Sagittarius, for me, for this week. Advice for you from 3rd June to 10th June. I hope you resonate with this reading in this session. And if you like this session, please like, share and subscribe, and even comment for this session. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments and whatever you want to have a session on. So have a nice day and a week ahead from my side. And I hope to tune with you for the next week. Thank you so much for joining me.